Hi, it's Chris. Today I'm going to take you through how to replace the lower spray arm washer on your dishwasher. A very easy repair, requires minimal tools, and I'll take you through it step by step. To replace our parts today, all we need to do, we do not have to disconnect the power, we do not have to shut off the water, we just need to open our door and remove our racks, and then everything's done right there. Lower rack is easy, of course, just rolls right out. Just take it out and set it to one side. Upper rack as well. Pull your rack out. Slide it back in a little bit so we can remove these end pieces. So to remove the end cap, it's very easy. Just give this a little squeeze right here. Slide it up and out. And it's free and clear. We'll just set it to one side. Now your rack can slide completely out of the machine, and we'll set it to one side. So to continue with our repair, just got to remove our lower spray arm, and we just basically go to hold this top piece and unscrew it. This is a left-hand thread, so we're going to turn it as if we were trying to turn a nut on. That frees our spray arm, and we can set it to one side. So now with the spray arm out of the way, we're just going to need to access this part of the dishwasher, and we're going to wind up actually rotating this supply tube over to the right. To do that, we need to remove this screw. With that removed, we're simply going to rotate the assembly like so. I'm just going to put my finger underneath this tail piece, which is a retainer, as we slide it. We're now able to remove that supply tube and set it to one side. So now we'll just take the support tower out. We'll remove the lower spray arm washer, discard it, bring in our new supply washer, set it into place, set the support back into the machine. So now to reassemble the supply tubes, we'll just introduce the two of them together, and you'll see that the back tube is moving into place. So what will happen as we rotate this, this will lock into the pump housing and this latch will snap into place. Just like that. And now we just need to reinstall the screw for the supply tube. We're now ready to install our lower spray arm. Set that into place. Turning that for a left-hand thread, or the opposite direction that a nut and bolt would normally tighten. Give it a spin to make sure it rotates fine. Put our racks back in. Now we'll install the upper rack first. We know which is front and back. The back has the supply tube nozzle, which is going to slide onto our spigot. So we just line up the wheels for our rack into the tracks and slide it right into place. At this point, we'll pull our rack rails out, reinsert our end caps. It's a matter of sliding it into place and applying a little downward pressure, and they lock in. And we do the same for the other side. Slip it into place, downward pressure, and it's locked, and your rack cannot fall out. Now we reinstall our lower rack. Close our door and your repair is complete.